Hello, this is Mr. Rouse. Ha ha ha. I'm here to teach 3.6. Math 3.6, it says just choose any of the methods that I just taught you. We're going to go over each method just to remind you, and then you can do whatever you want today. So 36 times 42. And we're going to use that same problem for all. Remember our partial product with area model. Remember 36, I'm going to break it to the high, I'm going to keep this number the same, and then just make it to a 10, so a 0 at the end. And then if I do 36 minus 30, I get 6. So again, on this one, I'm going to keep this 4 the same, so I'm going to put a 4 here, and then I'm going to put it to a 0, and then 42 minus 2 is 2. And now, right here, I'm going to do 4, put a big times, 4 times 3, and this goes here, and so it lines up. So if your finger was to start from the 3 and the 4 and go, they would match in this box. So 4 times 3 is 12, and there's 1 0, 2 zeros that we need to put in there. Then I'm going to do 40 times 6, and if I look here, we're going to shoot across there. This will match here, so 4 times 6 is 24. I have my 1 0, so I bring that over. So 240. Then we go to this 2 times 30. This comes down here, this goes here. So 3 times 2 is 6. I have to add this 0. Then I do 2 times 6, and this goes here and here. 2 times 6 is 12. So I've got 1,000, that is a 1 there, 1,200, 240, 60, and 12. So 1,200 plus 240 is 1,440. Plus 60 plus 12 is 72. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 7 is 11, put that there, 1 plus 4 is 5. So there's my answer. Okay, so there's that way. The next is a partial product way. So if I have the 36 times 42. Remember, I'm going to do 6 times 2, and I'm going to write as 12. And then this 3 is in the 10 spot, so I have to add a 0. And then 3 times 2 is 6. And then I'm going to go across this way, but this 4 is now in the 10 spot, so I have to add a 0. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Now I'm going to do 3 times 4, but they're both in the 10 spot, so I have to add 2 zeros. 3 times 4 is good 12. Now I can add 2 plus is 2. I got 11. That would be, so 2, 1, 5. Let's make sure it matched up. We're good so far. Now we'll do the regrouping way, which we just learned. 36 times 42. 6, remember, we go to our ones first. 6 times 2 is 12, and we are going to regroup that one. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now we're going to get rid of this. I'll get rid of that. And we're going to, let's get rid of that one too. And then we're going to multiply across, but because that's in the tens, I add a 0. So 6 times 4 is, good, 24. Put my 2 here. 3 times 4 plus 2 is, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, that's 5, and that's 1,512. Same answer, same answer. So we were good. So that's all 3 ways to do math. Big Bird says, Awesome. So, have a fabulous day. That was 3.6. And join me next time as I teach you 3.7.